Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog! This is me again. Hello everyone! We're here at Jollibee. We're gonna buy a drive-thru. So this is the Jollibee here in SLEX. We're on drive-thru. Ay, sorry. So, right now, we're waiting for the line. Because this is the Christmas thing here in Jollibee. So we're going there. Drive through. Let's see. Let's go. There's a design na kasi for the Jollibee Christmas thing. There. So, let's wait for them. Look at that. There's so many Christmas lights. It's Jollibee. Petron San Pedro, SLEX, southbound. So, this is one of the stores at this gas station because I seen comments at the videos asking for a gas station video from Corey. So, here it is. This is the gas station video. It's so long pa, ha? We're taking too long here. Anyway, there, it's moving. Mommy, you video because I'm gonna drive. Don't video while driving. I'll put in park. Park mo. I'm on park, ha? Don't bash me. I'm on park. And I'm just waiting for the drive-thru. It stopped. So, this is the Jollibee crew. This is Hetty Spaghetti. And then that's hamburger. I forgot the name. Maybe his yum. Because the Jollibee hamburger is called Yum Burger. So his maybe Yum. And then that's Twirly, the Sunday. And Mommy. So this is Jollibee. Wait, we're gonna show you. That's Jollibee, the main star, the owner, the main character at Jollibee, because the name of the store is Jollibee. And there's another one. It's the name is Popo. That's the name is Popo. Later you're gonna see. His name is Popo because it's the French fries. So this is Jollibee here in the Philippines. So if you can see, it's like a local version of McDonald's. Yun na. Mommy, you show Popo. I'm gonna drive na. There's Popo! Popo! We move na. That's Popo. Let's show you Popo. Popo the fries. Jollibee. Twirly. Yum Burger. And Hetty. That's the crew. And it's Christmas design. There's a reindeer. There's Christmas lights. There's cup. The big coffee cup. And then the drive-thru. It moves, Mommy, it moves. Oh no. There, I'm gonna drive po. Mommy's holding. There's Jollibee. Jollibee at the walls. Mami, si Jollibee. Oh, I'm on, ano na ha? I'm on stop. I'm on park. I'm on break. There's Jollibee lanterns. And there's this. So, we're gonna order. Mommy, you hold it. You'll be the cameraman. I'm gonna order. So, there's a girl there, if you can see. There's a girl. Okay. There's a girl asking for the order because it's a long queue pa.
Hello po.
Isang Jolly Hotdog meal,
Large fries na po?
regular fries and Coke.
Ano pa po?
Then isang chicken with spaghetti.
Okay na po ba itong chicken po for 30 minutes po?
30 minutes?
Yes po.
Sige, ano na lang. Yung burger steak, 1-piece burger steak. Then, ano lang, a la carte lang. Then, additional na spaghetti.
Yun lang po? Sara lang po yun?
A la carte.
Yun lang po ba?
Yun lang po.
Parang nyo lang. Thank you po.
Thank you. So, there you go. I just ordered. You heard my order. So, the kuyas there. There's people. There's people pa. Doing the lights because it's not yet finished. This part, I think. There's no Christmas lights yet. But, it's so cute, Mommy. Maandar, Mommy. I think there's a competition between Jollibees. So, they're really into this.
Hi ma'am.
Nice.
Bali 1-piece burger steak, isang spaghetti. Jolly hotdog regular fries and Coke. 54 po.
Gonna pay lang. There, you can see the the design here at Jollibee. You can see, Mommy, you show this. The Christmas tree. The Christmas tree. The Christmas tree, yan. Then, so there's a reindeer. There's the reindeer and stuff. Can I get my order? They're still making pa the orders. So,
Hi po, Jollibee po. Isa pong burger steak, isang spaghetti, isang Jolly hotdog regular fries.
wait lang po.
Salamat po, ingat po. Balik po sila sa Jollibee.
Thank you. Mommy, you hold the Jollibee. So, that's our order. That's for today. Because we're going home. Mommy, you video me You show them the outside. I'm not vlogging. I'm not holding my phone. So it's Mommy who's holding my phone. There. So that's all. That's for today. So that's all. Bye bye.